Welcome back to another Surfboards.com product video. Today we're taking a closer look at the Dakine Surfboard Tailgate Pad. The Dakine Tailgate Surfboard Pad is designed to fit most truck tailgates so your surfboard doesn't shift at all during transport. Made from custom extruded foam and durable good polyester fabric, featuring contoured foam with padded flaps and a fleece backing. First, let's open it up, then we'll strap it on the back of the truck. Alright, so let's open up the Dakine Surfboard Tailgate Pad. First, we'll just flip it over and undo these twisty ties on the back here. Then, we'll undo and loosen this strap here in order to remove the ties and the cardboard backing. Now loosen the straps on the other end and open it on up. Just undo the straps in the front and this bad boy is ready for the truck.
Hey guys, this is Hunter. I'm going to be showing you guys how to put on the new Dakine Tailgate Surf Pad. To start off, we're going to have both straps just going towards the ground. We're going to slightly open up the tailgate and go up through the tailgate with the straps. Do not tighten the first strap yet until the other strap is in. We're going to make sure that the pad is centered, and then we will both tighten each side. Once both straps are tightened, go grab your surfboard. In this example, we're using our Quicksilver soft top. Always remember to have a cloth or a towel at the front of your tailgate to protect your surfboard as well. We're going to have the surfboard face down and the back end of the surfboard coming out of the tailgate, right on top of the tailgate. The Dakine has a padded strap, so do not worry about tightening it down and having your surfboard scratched. And then that is all, guys.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this and check Surfboards.com for all your surf shop needs.